tree. That's the family tree over there also. And I got a little cute bow with my let's decorate. And now I got my own tree. My mom and my dad gave me my own tree from Target. Then I'm going to show you the things that we're going to need. Also paint, brushes, and cups, and some little painting things. And also we're going to need some ornaments. And then the things for writing, because it's a tree. And let's get started. Everyone, we already got the things that we need. Now let's get started. That's not on. Now we're going to color our ornaments. And this is so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love painting.
Me too. See how this works.
Ooh, good job, Mom. That's beautiful. I'm going to do the back purple. And some of it like blues, I think. We will see. Actually, don't cut that little thing. And also paint it. Gotta be very careful. You won't get it on your face, because if you get it on your face, everyone, you're going to look a happy face. Ooh, that looks cool, Mom.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks so cool. That is cool. Everyone, if you just want to put the brush down, you can if you want to. Whoa, that looks cool, Mom. Looks like some of mine is brown. A little bit of brown.
Ornament number 1. Aaliyah, that looks really beautiful.
Thank you.
Show it. The other side. Okay, so the first thing we do, go ahead and put that down, is we take this off, okay? Okay, go ahead and hold it. Okay, the next thing is I'm gonna pour, already poured paint. Go ahead and put it in there.
No.
Put it over here by the paper towel. Go ahead. Pour it. It's okay if it gets messy.
Easy.
Good job, Mama. Okay. Don't move it. There we go. I'm gonna put this on the top. Hold it tight on the top. Shake it up and down.
Let's see what color makes.
Keep shaking it. Go up and down. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna hold it like this.
Can I try?
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Hold it like that. And try it up and down. Good job. Okay, now let's see it. Show it to everybody. Wow. You show it to everybody. Show everybody the part that didn't get colored.
It looks like a unicorn.
Okay, so now we are going to be talking about our inspiration behind every single ornament. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So who did this one?
Me.
Yes, you did. What made you want to do this one with all the smiley faces?
Like a snowman and the blue sprinkles.
Blue sprinkles. You want to show them? All the snowmen. You do love making snowmen, huh?
Yeah.
And who made this one?
Daddy.
No, it was me.
Oh.
I made this one because it's inspired by the sky. Very beautiful. Okay, so next one. Who made this one?
Me. That pink and purple. Pink. It's not dry.
It's a little bit wet.
That's pink and purple. Describe it. It's I like those colors and I didn't add some blue, but I wanted to see if I want a blue, but I didn't actually. And this is the one I did too.
If you haven't guessed, Aaliyah's favorite color is?
Pink.
Pink.
Purple. And
It's really beautiful. This one has the pink on the inside.
it's very cold at the inside.
Okay, so next.
Daddy made it.
Yes, this was Daddy.
Daddy
What was your
made-
inspiration?
I don't know, I didn't finish it.
You didn't finish it? Incomplete work. You'll work on it a little later. Okay, so next one. Who did this one?
Mommy.
It's Mommy. It looks pretty cool. So the inspiration behind this one is E for Eatmans. Next one. This is the next one.
That's for Mom.
Yes, so I made this one because we need to have an ornament that has some sort of Christmas inspiration behind it. So it's a Christmas tree, 2 gifts, and a little truck, similar to the one we have here. A truck right here.
And then we
Next
made
one.
this one.
This one, oh, this one was Daddy. What was your inspiration behind this one?
Mom, this is yours.
A jawbreaker.
Mom,
Jawbreaker? Okay.
This one is yours.
Yes. So this was the sample, this was the test, and it turned out pretty great.
Hey, Mom,
Yes.
can we choose one?
When you choose one, they're all yours.
But this is that side is mine. This is that. This is that. But let's
We all did
have-
them for you. So this is all of our ornaments that we're gonna put on your tree.
Mom, but I want to still talk about it.
Okay, go ahead, talk about it.
These on the top, maybe they're not good enough, but I know they're pretty. But this side, yeah, this side, yeah, this side, also, yeah.
These are not good enough?
No, I'm saying, like, the bottom is not good enough because it's not colored, I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
And also, this one has like different snowmen and stuff. It has little sprinkles on the bottom. No, it's just like I just put some sprinkles in it like a snow. Because I know snow is like white, but I use blue. And also, this one, the ear is really dry because my mother's using some look. Orange and also the Christmas one is also good just like it in one day when we do the gingerbread video. I was gonna make one of these, but well, about mommy's and dad's. They're actually good, but they're really good. But Daddy didn't cover the bottom regardless. Also, that's fine. Before I decorate my Christmas tree, I'm gonna put my ornaments back. I'm going to show you our family tree. Now let's go. Everyone, this is a family tree. And the tree in the middle looks like the same, but that's no pink ornaments though, but that is also cute. You see that heart right there? It says, our first Christmas going together. I don't really know, but also these ornaments are so cute. Even the gifts are here. This is the time we've been waiting for. Now let's get started to decorate our tree.
Okay, so first we are going to be adding this pink ribbon. I've tied it on the back and we're just gonna wrap it around. So next thing we can do is we can add the ornaments that we painted. Let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
We are going to be adding the
Diamonds.
diamonds. Over here. There you go. Go ahead and stand right, or go ahead and sit right there.
Wow, this is cool, Mom.
Show it to them, Mama.
And then these are our diamonds we're going to use today.
Okay, and then let's just go ahead and add that. And next, this is an ornament that Aaliyah did
And church. King
at
Kids.
church in King's Kids 2019. We still have it. You want to go ahead and put it in your
And
tree?
this is me, a baby. And I don't know what you put it on. Right here.
Yeah, you can put it right there. Right there.
There it goes.
It's cute. Wait, this was supposed to be baby Jesus.
Oh yeah.
Right. Okay, so next we are going to be adding these troll ornaments.
What do they look like?
What do they look like? You know what trolls are, right? Remember the movie Trolls?
I believe so.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Movie Trolls. Okay, so there is a troll in here, but it's a mystery which one it is. So it can either be Poppy, you know Poppy, right?
Yeah.
Branch, Tiny Diamond, Queen, Barb, Copper, or Delta Dawn. Which one do you think is in here?
No.
You don't know? Well, let's open it and see.
Yeah.
Go ahead. We got two of them.
Hey Mom, can you give me the scissors?
Yeah. Let me help you. Go ahead. Show them.
Right.
Wait, which one's that one? We'll have to look this up later. Show them, Mama.
Everyone, this is her. Wow, this is cool.
Okay, so maybe somewhere over here where they can see it. It doesn't say the names of the trolls here, along with the pictures. Like that. Okay. So this is the other one. Let's cut them.
Hey, Poppy, this is my favorite girl.
Yeah, Poppy! This is your favorite, Mama? Okay, so maybe we should put her like right here. Perfect.
Everyone, this is the last thing we're going to put on. Can you help me?
Yes.
I don't really know how to tie and everything. Mama, my Christmas tree got a lot of things also. It looks so cute.
Alrighty. What are your thoughts? What do you think?
It's good.
Let's put these down. And this is the tree, Mama.
This is the tree, everyone. And see you next time. Like and subscribe and click that button.